Stop now.
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. As you can tell from the title of this video, honey, we are doing this very intergalactic purple eye look. That's all I could really come up with. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for coming to see what's going on over here, honey. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, sweetie. Sit back, get you a snack. Y'all know it be taking me forever to do these videos. So sit on back and cop a squat. Grab a drink, you know what I'm saying? Get some popcorn, something like that. If you all have not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, all of that good stuff, because that literally helps me out. When people say please like, comment, and subscribe, it helps us out. It helps us out so much. It helps other people see my videos. It is greatly appreciated, okay? So if you all want to see how I got this beautiful eye look, then keep on watching. Okay, beauties, to get started, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. So I'm going to go in first with this Rose Fix Plus by MAC. Spray that in. I usually moisturize already, but I have not, so I wanted to do that with you all on camera. A moisturizer I've been using is this Ole Henriksen Sheer Transform Moisturizer. It's very light. From what I understand, it's good for a combination to oily skin. So that's me. I just moisturize. I just rub it in until it is going. Now I'm going to go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm going to use that to prime all over. And I just take a little bit, almost like a nickel size, maybe dime, not sure. And just use that to prime my entire face. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera because same way I've been doing my brows is the same way. So, but I do want to let you know I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the number 5. But I'll be back. Okay, to start my eyes, I'm going to prime with this P. Louise base. This is in the shade number Rumor 3. It's one of my absolute favorite bases to use. Okay, the palette I'm going to be using today is the ABH Norvina volume. I believe this is the first one. Yeah, this is volume 1. I just want to do this like purple, like all over purple eye look. Then I want to use one of these liquid crystal eyeshadow things that I picked up from Beauty Bay. But yeah, so I kind of just want to, like I did with the last video, like I don't want it to be like super, I guess, detailed, but you know, I want it to be, you know, I want it to be cute. Let's go in with the shade number A2, which is right here on the outer portion of my eye. And I'm just going to bring it around. And then I'm going to go in with this pencil brush, and I'm going to take the shade B1, which is here. I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of that shadow. Then I'm just going to take a clean blending brush to blend that out. And I don't know why I'm like tipping around it, but I kind of want to put the shade all over my lid, but I'm going to go in with the shade B5, which is here. I'm just going to place that all over my lid. B5 has a little bit of shimmer in it. I'm going to take a little bit more of the shade B1 to blend the outer portion of my eye out. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other eye. I'm going to go ahead and put the topper on. This is the Living My Best Light in the shade Amethyst. Again, these are from Beauty Bay. I think they're like a UK brand because they do have their own stuff, but I'm just going to put, ooh. These are just like the Stila liquid eyeshadows. I don't know how these perform, so I'm going to do a little bit of blending as I put it on because I don't know. Is it dry already? You lie. They drying really fast. And these were really inexpensive. Way cheaper than the Stila ones, so. I think they dry faster than the Stila ones. And the e.l.f. ones. You know, e.l.f. has some as well. I'm just taking the brush that I used what is it? The brush I used A3 with. I'm just using that to blend out anything. But that's beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and put liner and lashes on and I'll be back. But let me show y'all the lashes that I'm actually using. So this is a new style that's coming to Slate Lashes within the next couple of weeks. I don't have a name for them, so let's name them down in the comment section. That's what we doing, girl. Name these down in the comment section. I love how, like, flirty they are. Like, they are sexy. All of these lashes are sexy to me, but yes. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put my liner and lashes on, and I'll be right back. So, I'm going to take the two Juvia's Place foundations that I normally use. This is Burkina in 310 and Gabon in 300. And I normally just mix these together because, and that's like way too much. I don't know why I'm always, this is a very, very full coverage foundation. I don't know why I always end up using too much, but I do. Look at that. I got all that left. So I'm going to take these two concealers. First, I'm going to conceal with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I don't know the number of this one, but it's the one next to Honey. And then I'm going to highlight a little bit with Mahogany by the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. L'Oreal Infallible one is like the perfect concealing shade. Oh my god, I just love concealer, y'all. I gotta get me a better mirror because I feel like the mirror, I'm always like looking down in it. Now I'm gonna go in with that Mahogany shade. That ain't no brighter. I'm gonna actually take this Flawless Fusion Concealer by Laura Mercier. I'm gonna use that to highlight. I'm going to take my black opal stick in the shade Suede Mocha. Of course, y'all know the drill. I'm using it to do a little bit of cream contouring. See, I like this better than the ebony brown one because it's not as dark. So I'm going to take this Huda Beauty, because I want to say Huda Beauty. I'm going to take this Huda Beauty's setting powder in the shade Kunafa, and we're going to use this to set our under eye. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to purchase anything from the Sephora sale because I honestly don't need anything. I say that every single time. But somebody had sent me a friends and family code, so I purchased then. And that was just like a month or so ago. I'm going to also take the Revolution Glow Powder in the shade dark. Yeah, this is in the shade dark. I'm gonna use this to bronze up my skin, warm it up a little bit. I do this to create definition in my face. And this is a really, really good powder. I need to get the other ones, but honey. To set my entire face, I'm gonna take my Kat Von D powder in the shade Deep 205, or is it Kat Von D? Is it still Kat Von D? KVD. I don't know. I don't think it's Kat Von D anymore, because I don't think she's a part of the company, which I guess they thought that was gonna make a difference. I don't really know. I love this powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it all over. Okay, I'm gonna take my blush bonder by the Crayon Case, and we're gonna go into this purple shade here, and we're gonna use that as our blush today. Go in lightly because these are very, very pigmented. Okay. Put a little blush on my nose like Jack does. I haven't shown this on my channel yet, but this has 3 pages. There's 3 pages of just blushes and contours, and oh my god, it is like everything. You literally can use this as eyeshadow, which I've done before. Like, you'll never run out of blush. Like, you won't. So I'm gonna go, let's finish our eyes. I'm going to take I want a dark brown. Well, I'm gonna take the shade, I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna put the shade that I put in my crease at number A3. We're gonna use that on our lower lash line. Okay, we're gonna use it on our bottom just to like smoke it out. Y'all know how I like to do it. I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade D5, which is this dark. I don't think it's black, but we're about to see. I think it's black, but we're gonna smoke it out. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh my god. These colors are stupid pigmented. I love these palettes. And then for eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with the Perversion eyeliner by Urban Decay. I'm gonna use that in my waterline. Stupid smooth. Do you see how that glided? The actual, I'm gonna go back into the Anastasia palette, and I'm going to take this shade A1 and I'm going to put it in my crease, or I'm gonna put it in my tear duct actually. So I'm gonna take the shade A1 and I want it to go right there. So pretty. Because I have nowhere to go, honey. We need to find somewhere to go. A motherfucking set. Okay. I'm going to take the shade, this is So Hollywood. This is the loose highlighter by Anastasia. We're going to use that to highlight. I think it is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous highlight shade. And it's like the loose one. Do I have the So Hollywood? I think I got it in Press. That's not So Hollywood. Let me see. Yeah, these look two totally different. See, this one, it looks deeper. I don't know. So those are the same ones. That's awesome. Well, I like the looser one better. I'm going to take the lip liner in Current. Next, I'm going to take a new favorite of mine. I used it in the last video. Sorry, y'all. This is Lady by Juvia's Place. Very beautiful nude. I love this nude. And then I'm going to take the shade Princess. This gloss by Buxom. It's like a beautiful, like, I don't know if y'all can see that. It has reflex of gold in it, and I'm here for it. Okay, beauty, so here's the finished look. How do we like it? How do we like it? I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm so glad I picked up different shades of these Living My Best Light by Beauty Bay, because these are slick, better than the Stila ones. You gotta be a little quick with them because they dry a little fast, but these are it right here, honey. So yeah, if y'all can, shoot over to Beauty Bay. If you want to, I'm going to link everything down in the description box to where you can just click it and go straight to it. So if you want to try these out, then definitely try these out, because these is it, girl. I don't even know why it took me so long to grab these. But yeah, these are in the same category as the e.l.f. ones. I guess the like drugstore, like the less expensive one is winning. And again, this one is the Amethyst Living My Best Light Liquid Crystal Eyeshadow by Beauty Bay. I am going to link it down below along with everything else that I used. But yeah, if you all enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section. I do reply back. And until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye, beauties.